Hi, and welcome to my 6 mark question teacher top tip. So before doing a 6 mark question, I would suggest using a peer guide. So this is point, explanation, example, repeat. With point, this is where you simply state the answer to the question. For explanation, this is where you add the meat to your answer by explaining your point. This must include a reason why. Example, this is where you add to your answer by giving a sporting example. And then finally, repeat this process for all the key phrases in your question. So, for example, if we were looking at this 6 mark question, a healthy active lifestyle will have an impact on the body systems. Describe some of the effects of participation on the body's cardiovascular and muscular system. In your answer, you must include the immediate short-term effects of participation on each system and the effects of the regular participation on long-term effects of each system. So if we were looking just at the first bit here, so we're looking at cardiovascular, I would create a 6 mark peer plan. So a 6 mark question peer plan. I would write this at the side of your exam paper or possibly on some blank paper, just to give yourself a guide and make sure that when you're answering your full 6 mark question, you get all the key points you want to get across. So for our point, our first one could be the increase in heart rate. So the cardiovascular system, a short-term effect is the increase in heart rate. An explanation of this: the reason our heart rate increases is because there is a higher demand for oxygen to the working muscles. Therefore, your heart rate increases to meet this demand. An example of this: during a warm-up, when we start to jog, our heart rate increases to get more oxygen to our working muscles to ensure that we can jog effectively. I would then do this for the rest of my 6 mark question, so ensuring that I had the short-term effects of the cardiovascular system, the long-term effects of the cardiovascular system, the short-term effects on the muscular system, and the long-term effects on the muscular system. Just by making sure that it's always in your plan, it gives you a better idea when you're writing your 6 mark question